Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of February 13th. Yes, yesterday's newspaper. Because yesterday's newspaper, the paper boy has not delivered the newspaper. It's actually today, Wednesday, February 14th. Yeah, need to catch up with the puzzles. And this one will be number 799. I believe 7. Yeah, 7997. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. We have here 17 printed digits, and it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Alright. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Then between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones in the last column, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. And we have here, well, I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But, yeah, between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, so that box should be a 1 then. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's overlooked. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Here we have 4 O's in this column. So the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so the rest are ones. Finish in 3 minutes. Well. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it all solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle in this additional. Until then, bye bye for now.